everyone here on the video clip. Yeah, that thing is dead. Ugh. Oh. Ooh. Dang, boy. Bro, look at that. This thing's eyes out, bro. You know. Ah, dang, bro. You see some stuff, bro. I mean, now he can't see me. He ain't seen nothing, actually. Because you can't see. He blind. Alright, gotta dig a hole big enough for this bird body. I'm just gonna put this thing right here. I'm gonna cut to when I'm done digging the hole. Alright, I finished digging the hole, I think. Oh, hold up. I gotta see. Is that good enough? Yeah, that's good enough. Now we just gotta bury him. So, let's bury this man. Sorry, gang. You gotta get buried. Sorry, bro. You have to get buried. I don't like having a funeral. I want everyone in the comments who sees this video, everyone go, just put Rip Bird. Hey, I don't know this bird. I don't know who it is. It's just a bird to me. Someone, some other bird. This thing's family. Well, was family. Just gotta like keep on burying. I'm sorry, bro. I don't like doing this myself. Cause like, you know, Rip. I Rip Bird. I'm just gonna put the grass back and the moss, whatever the heck this is. Rip Bird. I'm gonna give him a grave stone. Well, I guess technically a stick. Grave stick and everything, bro. We gotta give this man a proper grave. Rip Bird. Rip Bird. We gotta find a stick. This thing's good enough. Yeah. It's right here. Dang. I'm just gonna put a set with him. I'll let my face out. Jeez, I am weak. Alright. Here we go. A salute. Bird. Rip Bird. Well, if you guys enjoyed that, well, I'm not asking you to subscribe or like. Just Rip Bird in the comments. We gotta give him a name. 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 What do we name? I gotta give him a name. About Marcus. Here lies Marcus. Rip Marcus. Yeah. Rest in peace, bro. Rest in peace. Alright, well, that's the bird for you. Rip Marcus. Rip Marcus.